Okay, hi, my name is Eirdeena. I'm an upper sixth student at College Tunku Jaafar and I'm a proud Alia girl. After College Tunku Jaafar, I'll be pursuing computer science in Cornell University and also hoping to juggle a data science and German minor. And also I would like to take the opportunity to travel the States, explore places with my friends and maybe work a few part-time jobs here and there. I truly appreciate how early on the university application process starts in KTJ, where we are put into groups according to our intended field of study and also the country that we are planning to apply to since the start of lower sixth. So from personal experience, applying to both to the UK and the US, two very different applications, I couldn't have managed it without the help from the sixth form team, my teachers, and also Miss Susan and Miss Emma. So for me personally, applying through the early decision cycle, the one-on-one sessions with Miss Susan really helped me from being completely clueless about applying to the States and actually get it done before the early deadline. So all in all, trust me, KTJ structure works. If I have to choose one, I'll definitely choose the KTJ 2022 Oxbridge Engineering Workshop, where before this, I was always from a participant's perspective. So getting the chance to actually host the annual workshop alongside Miss Emma, Mr. Ian, and also an amazing team, you know who you are, definitely opened my eyes to many different responsibilities. So our tasks range from coming up with the 2022 challenge to actually becoming the official judges of the competition. So definitely it taught me about teamwork, leadership, and also how to think on my 2 feet, because there were so many things that didn't go as planned. So it really taught me about adaptability, and also it was very eye-opening to see how our vision came to life and how different groups interpret our challenge and came up with many different amazing projects. So definitely this opportunity really grew me not only as an aspiring computer scientist, but also as a whole, because I had the opportunity to actually look from a different perspective, not only participating, but actually organizing a huge event. I will definitely miss the little things in KTJ, such as the post-dinner walks, just eating meals together, and also reminiscing about our past 2 years at the waterfront. Also, I would definitely miss the homey feeling that we get in KTJ, always be well taken care of by the hall staff, teachers, and also my peers. And last but not least, KTJ's beauty and getting to breathe fresh air. To all my fellow graduates, class of 2023, we made it. We reached the end. Thank you for being part of my A-level journey, and I hope that wherever the next chapter takes you, you'll enjoy every bit of it. Signing out.